In this video, we will look at how to expire old balances for credit books, gift certificates, cash cards, prepaid services, and levies. The option to purge is also available and is only recommended once the data is older than the recommended date to keep data on file. First, let's start with a credit book. Select a clearing option. Clear zero balances up to a certain date. This will clear credit book details for those members who have a zero balance in their credit book up to the as of date you specify here. Set all to zero and post balances to GL. This will clear outstanding positive balances and post their amounts to the applicable GL accounts specified in the credit book profile. This will affect only those credit books that have GL integration specified for the clear balance credit/debit account fields in the profile. Note that this option does not clear negative, overdrawn credit book balances. Erase all credit book details. This will clear all the credit book details for the selected book regardless of date or balance. This is your purge option. Set your as of date, which is the cutoff date for a credit book to be considered. Use the grid in the right corner to select/deselect all credit books to be cleared. If you select the second option, set a date of record, decide if you want to remove history to allow transactional details to be erased for those books cleared, and choose to preview or update the files. Leave set to apply to all members, or select specific members. Click OK to proceed. Next, we can close expired gift certificates and purge closed certificates. Set your as of date, which is the cutoff date for expired certificates to be considered. Close fully redeemed certificates. Flag this field if you want to close any gift certificates with an outstanding balance of zero regardless of the expiry date. Set the audit trail created by this posting to be detailed by individual gift certificate GL postings or summarized. Enter a date of record. Use the grid in the right corner to select/deselect all the types of gift certificates to be cleared. Leave set to apply to all members or specific members. In the gift certificate option, choose all or a range of gift certificates to expire. Then preview and post. Once you click post, a GL posting will take place if there is any amount of money still associated with the gift certificate according to the gift certificate profile integration. You also have the option to purge closed gift certificates. Set your as of date, which is the cutoff date for closed certificates to be considered. Use the grid in the right corner to select/deselect all the types of certificates to be purged. Leave set to apply to all members or select specific members. And in the gift certificate option, choose all or a range of gift certificates to be purged. Then preview and update. Now let's look at how to clear out and purge cash cards. This screen allows you to either clear out existing cash cards of their balance while retaining the cards for future use, or to completely purge non-activated cash cards and remove them from the system. Note that the Club Management cash card profile has the option Allow expired/unused balances to be refunded, which will allow for the refund of unused amounts to a member's account. It is important to make sure that there are no open chits with cash card settlements prior to clearing or purging the card. This is a two-step process. The first step is to set the parameters on this screen. Set the function to one of the following options. Clear will reset the balance on the card to zero and the card can be reused. Purge will purge the amount and the card. Optionally input the reference and GL description overrides. Set the card expiry date by setting the option to all expiry dates, a range of expiry dates, or a selected expiry date, and then setting the additional fields as applicable. Leave set to apply to all members, or select specific members. Use the card balance drop-down and amount field to filter cards with specific balances. Select a business area if applicable. Then click Proceed. The next step is to select the cards that will be cleared or purged. Use the filters at the top of the screen if you would like to filter by card type or card status. There are several options to move cards from the left pane to the right pane to be cleared list. Double-click on a card. Select multiple cards by holding down the Control key on your keyboard, or select a range of cards by holding down the Shift key. You can move all items by clicking the double arrow. To remove an item from the To Be Cleared list, simply double-click on it. Then go ahead and preview and update. Up next, we can close expired prepaid services and then purge them. Set your as of date, which is the cutoff for expired prepaid services to be considered. Close fully redeemed. Flag this field if you want to close any prepaid services with an outstanding balance of 0, regardless of the expiry date. Specify the credit account. Set the GL debit postings by to POS service category or selected account where you can specify the GL account. Use the grid in the right corner to select/deselect which prepaid services will be cleared. Then go ahead and preview and post. You also have the option to purge closed prepaid services. Note that if you want to purge prepaid services, they must be closed first. Set your as of date, which is the cutoff date for closed prepaid services to be considered. Use the grid in the right corner to select/deselect all the types of prepaid services to be purged. Note that this program will purge prepaid services that have been fully redeemed based on the as of date and prepaid services selected. Then preview and update. Lastly, let's take a look at how to expire unused levies and purge expired levies. Select the levy purse, enter a date of record, and leave set to apply to all members or select specific members. Do not print 0 balances. If checked, members with a balance of 0 will not appear on the report. Then preview and post. You also have the option to purge expired levies. Note that if you want to purge expired levies, they must be expired first. Select the levy purse. Note that the purse must have an expiry date to be selected. If purged, purse codes that are in use throughout the system will be blank, like in fee billing schedules, etc., and may need to be replaced with new codes. Only those purses with 0 balances remaining can be purged. Print activity report. If flagged, we'll print a report of which levies have been purged. Delete purse code. If checked, the purse code will be deleted. Click OK to proceed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.